Now I'm out on this cold and gloomy Melbourne day checking out this brand new Tango caravan. It's a 21-foot 6-inch tandem axle model with a rear club lounge, and it's called the Sarah series. But I do have a very quick tip for any caravanners out there that are brand new to the lifestyle. Now as you go to hitch up, it's a good idea in my opinion to make sure that your corner stabilisers are in the up or the closed position. Because look, what's going to happen if I go to wind up this jockey wheel, of course that's going to mean the rear of the caravan is going to want to sort of fall towards the ground. And if you've got your corner stabilisers at the back of the caravan still down and not in the closed position, the weight of the caravan is going to put pressure and weight on those rear stabilisers, eventually or potentially causing them to break, and we don't want that.